By the name of Allah, today I will show you the presentation, design and implementation, voice controller robotic arm using the voice module. My name is Rashid al-Malky with my supervisor, Dr. Sinai Said Inayatullah Alawi, and super assistants, Dr. Ali Abdahmed. First one, the title of the project arm to presentation now, introduction and block diagram of the proposed system design, the manipular body and end effector hand and using by microcontroller Arduino Uno and servo motor and the sensor voice module and use the NRF wireless system. Proposed system design, the algorithm of motion control and conclusion and future work. Introduction, robotic arm has been entered many fields. Modern technology have required the labor market to provide robotic that work in many fields, including industrial, medical, military, and agriculture. In this my project was designed a robotic arm that enter of many areas that can be used in oil field that are dangerous or of the operator working on sites containing inert gases or environment impure area. The aim of the design to make the robotic arm fully operated by voice, that it is responsive to command issue by the operator. There are many methods that can be used to make the robotic work without controlling it manually. But each design has a special practical characteristics, as the sound passive approach make the robotic practical, easier and efficiency to perform accurate tasks in dangerous space. Arduino are classified from groups units such as hardware arm, robotic arm, Arduino controller, an RF wireless sensor, and voice sensor module. The arm contain the main base and rotary, the joint and effector, in which the rotation motion is provided by servo motor. The NRF sensor has been placed to be wireless remote control for distance in 1 kilometer, about 1 kilometer, and can work inside and outside building. The ARM program has training by the voice sensor module on the voice communication. 5 groups. One group is hello. It is key of the all system robotic arm, and the base left right and move up down forward reverse and the hand catch open. The remote control of the robotic arm was set with a high accuracy and also multi-volt electronic power supply. Was designed 5 volt and 12 volt and 5 volt, 12 volt and 3.3 volt and multi-ground and USB to change charge mobile or any device. Previous research has been studied for similar design and method of controller by the voice. As we found, the most project are controlled by phone through several Arduino application, or the robotic arm is controlled manually. In this my project, we control the arm through an Arduino controller with a sensor that controller the arm remotely through the computer, and a set of the controller that have been programming to match the work of the arm with sound sound command, and with the smooth movement at multiple angle according to the design and the type. The robotic arm gives the ability to intercut with nature. Past those conditions, it will make a processing operator more efficiency by provide self-improvement system. Next slide. Block diagram of the proposed system. This block diagram to show the hardware agriculture architecture of the smart control system is based the main part of this system, the robotic arm controller system, including in the following module: host module sensor detection, control for decision maker of the direction of the robotic arm in Arduino Uno, and the servo motor. I have use for servo motor and motor for pieces motion, left, right, up, down, catch, open. Next slide. And effect of the robotic arm. The final join in the robotic arm is one of the important and part that make the robotic arm complete to work required to be performed. This device is designed to have contact with all parts, and the work to the final response is complete depended on controller and robotic programming method. Basically, that end effect is just a halt or a device that work according to a variety of different application. And for robotic percentage, it is catch and connection open or catch. It is work is different final affected. It is very important part in the robotic arm. Next slide. Arduino microcontroller, as the controller has been widely designed in several research projects for either or programming and use as it is a small controller unit, which is the most wide use and easy to use, where it can be connected to the computer using the USB cable and the Arduino programming the project arm, and it can also be equipped with the external voltage source by battery or power supply or by computer. Servo motor. I have in this project I have four servo motor in this project. First one to base, left right, and up down, forward reverse, up down, and the hand catch open. Okay. Servo motor is widely used, a high technology device, as it is used in industrial applications such as automation technology, as it is considered as a standard electrical device. Second slide. The sensor voice module, voice recognition V3. It is updated the sensor and modern use by researcher use to complete more project. For the voice recognition V3, it contains more than a set where it can take 40 voice commands, which is used in the project. In this project, a voice module unit is one of the main components of this project and work on the principle of transmitter sequentially audio data when connection to Arduino board. It consists of the serial digital signal processing, Harvard signal, named Harvard signal, chips architecture supercomputer, and it comes with an ability to control the Cortex A5 system, which provide good performance of complex application that require modern and advanced algorithm. We find most of the procedure work and response most program that control the robotic arm. Next slide, training the voice sensor module. Now, connection with the laptop, with the voice sensor laptop, connection between us and chips, small chips, to training the sensor voice module, and with the library of the Arduino Uno, to connection and programming, all ID programming Arduino Uno, to check and training each command, each voice command. Training the voice sensor module in Arduino Uno, programming a library to add for voice recognition sensor to be trained the following step as following: connection the voice module sensor with Arduino Uno through USB port to the laptop. Open the Arduino Uno ID environment and divide the voice sensor library, modern library, add to the programming Arduino Uno. The sensor training windows opened. Write the following instruction. First one, if you show the window to training this the voice module, it will write string 15, for example, hello. Then we go the microphone. Then we go to the microphone, hello of the voice sensor, and say hello again to complete this command. First two, load 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to check all command recorder. If the recorder is okay, no problem. It is the complete the save of all command voice. And if you want to overlap between us command, it can be right clear to delete all recorder and re-recorder again to save all commands. NRF wireless, the NRF wireless and transmitter and receiver. This is unit can transmit and receive data. As it is operator at the frequency 2.4 gigahertz, which is within ISM range. It can be used in most engineering applications. The unit, when operate efficiently, can cover a distance on 1 kilometer outdoor and inside door 900 kilometers, which make that have multiple options and available for all wireless remote control project. The unit work at voltage 3.3 volt, as it can be easily used with the 3.2 volt or 5 volt system with read-made controller such as by Arduino Uno, where each unit contain an address range of 125, and each unit communication with 6 other units. This algorithm, how can to operation all the system, how can to run this program. First one, hello, to open security all the system and use the user. If you send the user hello, it can be run all servo motor. When I send the voice base, it can be go to the base and left and right. When the send voice command move, it can move forward, reverse, up, down. If you return to go to the hello, it can be send the group hello. If you send the command voice command hand, it is go to the hand and send the voice open and catch. This architecture, the hardware components, the voice sensor module and NRF, send and receive, NRF, receive, and all the robotic arm hardware. And this power supply, all the system, 5 volt and 3.3 volt. Now, I will show you how to training the voice module. I will show you the video to show the command, when they send command hello or another command.
Base. Right.
Say hello, open the all system,
Yes.
left, right, the group 2 base, hello, left, right, left, send and receive, send,
Right.
send and receive, right, left, stop,
Move.
stop of the
Up.
base, up, move group 2,
Down.
down, up,
Up.
send,
Stop.
receive, up, stop,
Reverse.
stop, receive, reverse, forward, reverse, up, down,
Forward. Reverse.
reverse,
Stop. Hand. Open.
next slide,
Right. Left.
this operating complete to test all the
Right.
system,
Stop. Move. Up. Down. Stop. Forward. Stop. Reverse. Stop. On. Open. Touch.
touch.
Goodbye.
Goodbye to return the 0 point, to return on the hello, Conclusion, the design of the effective speech recognition system of isolated voice controlled robotic arm to serve a large group of workers in dangerous place of focus of this paper. The voice sensor has been tested to demonstrate its performance in general prices are movement. The processing unit, speech group, and microcontroller are connected directly to the robotic arm in one package that made the design represent a fully independent arm that can be controlled remotely and 1 kilometer and at 1 kilometer with the presence of an RF sensor. The future work can add a group of the sensor. It is increase benefits, for example, temperature sensor or insert the camera video, inert gas to check inert gas sensor, and factory and industrial workshop. Now I will show you the confirms. Would like to inform you that my project robotic arm has been particle in the scientific conference, and my research has been successful, except see attachment now. See attachment now. Sorry. This certificate of accepting by conference in IEEE, in this scope as all researcher project. Thanks a lot for watching the presentation, and see you later.